We all want to capture those adventurous and adrenaline-filled moments perfectly. While an action cam can be a lifesaver for this, decoding the endless list specs can feel like such a headache. That's why I've tracked down the top 5 best action cameras for you. We'll cover everything from a fantastic budget starter to the ultimate 8K powerhouse. And as always, check the links in the description. Let's head right in. First up, we have the Apexcam 4K 60 FPS action camera. If you are looking for something on a tight budget, this is exactly where you want to start. It is positioned as the ultimate budget-friendly option for beginners or students who need a solid all-rounder. Let's talk visuals first. You get 4K video resolution at 30 FPS. If you want smoother motion, you can switch to 1080p at 60 FPS or even 720p at 120 FPS for those cool, slow-motion shots. The 170-degree wide-angle lens gives you that classic, immersive fisheye look we all expect from these cameras. Now, regarding photos, the marketing claims 64 megapixel. However, looking at the actual output, you are realistically getting something closer to 16 megapixel stills. That is still respectable for this category, though. For stabilization, it uses electronic image stabilization, or EIS. It helps smooth out the jitters, but don't expect the same polish you would see on a high-end flagship. It might struggle a bit with intense extreme sports. That said, the durability is impressive. With the included case, it is waterproof down to 40 meters. Apexcam packs this thing with serious value. You get a massive kit including helmet mounts, that waterproof case, a 2.4G wrist remote, and even a 64GB microSD card right in the box. Power-wise, it comes with two 1350 mAh batteries, offering about 90 minutes of recording each. Now, I have to mention the audio, which is a bit weak on its own. Using the external mic support is a smart move here. Yet, considering the huge accessory bundle and solid 4K capability, it remains a fantastic entry-level choice. Moving on to number 4, we've got the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. If the last camera was for testing the waters, this one is for diving into the deep end, literally and figuratively. It all starts with the optics. You are getting a massive, next-generation one, over 1.3 inches CMOS sensor. That larger surface area captures significantly more light, meaning your low-light footage won't look grainy or washed out. It pairs with a wide 24mm f2.8 lens to deliver approximately 40 megapixel photos. But for video, the headline is true 4K at 120 FPS. That allows for incredibly smooth, slow-motion sequences that look professionally graded right out of the camera. Now, smoothness isn't just about frame rates. This camera uses Rocksteady 3.0 Plus and 360-degree horizon steady. Essentially, you can spin the camera in a full circle, and the horizon stays perfectly flat. It is all powered by a dedicated 4 nanometers chip that handles advanced subject tracking, keeping fast-moving action centered without you even trying. The endurance here is honestly surprising. While most cameras die after an hour or so, this packs a 1950 mAh battery that offers up to 4 hours of continuous recording. Plus, the build is rugged enough to go 20 meters underwater without a case. Just keep in mind that the heavy ceiling means the buttons feel a bit stiff to press. I also have to mention the 47GB of built-in internal storage. It is a total lifesaver if you ever forget your memory card. Besides, you get dual OLED touchscreens for easy vlogging and cool software tricks like the InvisiStick feature to digitally hide selfie sticks. For creators who need reliability, long battery life, and smart features, the Action 5 Pro is hard to beat. At number 3, we have the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. This camera feels less like a standard gadget and more like a cinematographer in your pocket. The headline feature here is the optics system, co-engineered with Leica. That legendary glass pairs with a large one over 1.3 inches sensor to deliver superior low-light performance. But the real showstopper is the ability to shoot in true 8K video. That is a massive leap in resolution that puts it significantly ahead of the pack. It isn't just about pixel count, though. The system is powered by dual AI chips. These dedicated processors drive the flow state stabilization, ensuring your footage looks steady even during extreme sports. You also get 360-degree horizon leveling, so your shots stay perfectly aligned no matter how the camera tilts. If you prefer smooth motion over pure resolution, it handles 4K at 120 FPS effortlessly. For usability, it features dual touchscreens on the front and back, making framing shots intuitive. I also appreciate the audio upgrades. The advanced wind noise reduction works wonders, though you can easily connect an external mic for professional sound. Power is another strong suit since it ships with 2 batteries. You can expect about 2.5 to 3 hours from each, and they support USB-C fast charging. Now, there are a few trade-offs to consider. The waterproofing without a case is limited to 10 meters, which is shallower than some rivals. Also, remember that editing 8K files requires a computer with serious specs. However, the companion app helps bridge the gap with AI-powered scene detection and the clever Insta360 feature to hide selfie sticks. So, if you are a professional creator who demands Leica precision and 8K capability, this is the specialized tool you have been waiting for. Taking the runner-up spot at number 2 is the GoPro Hero 13 Black. When people think of action cameras, this is usually the image that pops into their head, and for good reason. Let's look at the numbers because they are staggering. You aren't just getting 4K here, you are getting 5.3K video at 60 FPS. To put that in perspective, that is 91% higher resolution than 4K and a massive 665% more detail than standard 1080p. If you are into still photography, it delivers 27 megapixel photos, and you can even pull high-quality 24.7 megapixel frame grabs directly from your videos using the Quick app. But the real game changer this year is the lens versatility. It supports the new HB series lenses, including macro, anamorphic, and neutral density filters. Here is the cool part. The camera automatically detects which lens or filter you have attached and adjusts the settings for you instantly. That level of integration creates a seamless shooting experience. Of course, it wouldn't be a GoPro without Hypersmooth 6.0 stabilization. It is widely considered the industry benchmark, featuring a 360-degree horizon lock that keeps your footage level even if the camera spins fully around. For slow motion fans, it offers up to 13x burst slow-mo at lower resolutions and 4x even at that crisp 5.3K. Durability is legendary, as expected. It is waterproof down to 10 meters without a housing and includes a water-repellent lens hood to stop those annoying droplets from ruining your shot. Plus, it ships with the Enduro battery, which dramatically improves performance in freezing cold environments compared to older models. It also simplifies your workflow with automatic cloud uploads and highlight videos, though keep in mind you do need a subscription for that feature. Ideally suited for extreme sports enthusiasts and serious vloggers, the Hero 13 Black combines rugged reliability with cinematic flexibility in a way only few others can match. And finally, we have arrived at the number 1 spot. The undisputed king of our list is the DJI Osmo Action 6. If you want the absolute peak of current technology, this is exactly where you should look. The headline feature here is the sensor architecture. It utilizes a massive 1 over 1.1 inches square CMOS sensor. This is larger than what you find in most rivals, offering low-light performance that is frankly hard to believe until you see it. But the real game changer is the variable aperture. You can physically shift between f2.0 and f4.0. That gives you genuine mechanical control over your exposure in varying light conditions rather than just relying on software fixes. In terms of raw resolution, it is a monster, capable of shooting true 8K video. For high-speed action, you can drop down to 4K at 120 FPS for cinematic slow motion that retains incredibly sharp detail and vibrant colors. Of course, stability is non-negotiable at this level. With Rocksteady 3.0 Plus and Horizon Steady, your footage stays smooth and level even if you are rotating through the air during extreme maneuvers. The build quality matches the performance too. It is waterproof down to 20 meters without a case and features a cold-resistant battery that delivers a staggering 4 hours of recording time. That means you can likely film a whole session without ever swapping packs. It also refines the user experience with dual touchscreens on the front and back for easy framing. You get intelligent features like the Insta360 to digitally remove selfie sticks and full support for external mics if you need professional audio. You can even overlay sports data from your Garmin or Apple Watch directly onto the video. While it sits at a premium price point, the combination of that huge sensor, the unique variable aperture system, and rugged endurance makes it the most capable camera we have seen. So, surely, for professional creators and serious adventurers, the Osmo Action 6 is simply the best tool to get the hands on. Thanks for sticking around. For more content like this, hit that subscribe button on our channel. Click the bell icon too, so you'll get notified every time we drop a new video at Flexiviews.